Importing medical devices into the United Kingdom, a formal guide to regulatory compliance, safety standards, and customs procedures. Introduction: the Dual Compliance Challenge. Medical devices, ranging from diagnostic scanners to prosthetic joints, reach the United Kingdom daily, yet they clear the border only when two demanding regimes are satisfied: health regulation approval and an accurate customs declaration. Regulatory Gateway, MHRA, registration and UK responsible person. Before shipment, every device must be registered with the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. Non-UK manufacturers appoint a UK responsible person who holds the technical file, manages surveillance, and serves as the legal contact. Product marking and conformity assessment. Compliance is demonstrated by a UKCA mark for Great Britain or a transitional CE mark. Higher risk devices require assessment by an approved body, while only non-sterile, non-measuring Class I products may self-declare. Safety standards and post-market surveillance. Importers align quality systems with ISO 13485 and apply ISO 14971 risk management. Once placed on the market, they collect performance data, trace serial numbers, and report serious incidents to the MHRA within statutory deadlines. Customs infrastructure, EORI, classification, and valuation. A GB, EORI, links the shipment to the importer's duty and VAT account. Accurate HS classification drives duties and taxes. Customs value equals the transaction price plus insurance and freight. Duty, VAT, and relief schemes. Most devices attract 0 to 5% duty. Standard rate VAT is applied to the customs value plus any duty. Donated equipment or research apparatus may qualify for relief when authorized by the National Imports Relief Unit. Safety and Security Filings, ENS Declarations. From the 31st of January 2025, all inbound consignments require an entry summary declaration. Importers must verify that carriers file complete ENS data, as discrepancies can trigger border examinations. Filing the import declaration through Customs Declarations UK. Using the Customs Declarations UK platform, the importer selects the right procedure code, enters commodity codes, customs value, and origin, and references any license. Real-time validation ensures the UK responsible person's details and active certificates are correctly declared. HMRC's acceptance returns a movement reference number, authorizing release. Duty payment, VAT accounting, and post-entry proof. Duties and VAT are settled via a deferment account or postponed VAT accounting. The CD UK dashboard retains full audit copies of the declaration, simplifying evidence requests and VAT reconciliations. Common pitfalls and risk mitigation. Late MHRA registration, mismatched commodity codes, incomplete ENS data, or missing duty relief authorizations can all delay clearance. Leveraging CD UK cloning features and automated validation markedly reduces these risks. Conclusion: delivering compliant devices without border friction. By uniting rigorous health regulation processes with precise customs declarations through Customs Declarations UK, importers ensure that vital medical devices reach clinicians swiftly, safeguarding both patient outcomes and commercial reputation. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with Customs Declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.